Dear friends, in class 11 we are trying to understand parabola, and in exercise 11.2 we have the seventh question. Find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given condition. We are given focus is at 6, 0. Please note here x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. Means this point lies on x axis, and since x is positive it lies on positive direction of x axis. So if you try to plot this point you will get it on x axis. So please note this is positive direction of x axis, negative direction of x axis, positive direction of y axis, negative direction of y axis. Here it is origin is 0, 0. Now see focus is 6, 0. 6, 0 means it will be definitely on x axis on the positive direction, that is point could be on positive direction of x axis somewhere here 6, 0. And we are given directrix is x equal to minus 6, x equal to negative 6, x equal to constant. It means it is a line parallel to y axis, and at equal distance it will cut the y axis at minus 6, 0. Sorry, it will cut x axis at minus 6, 0, and it is parallel to y axis. So this is equation of, this is a directrix. So equation of directrix is x equal to minus 6. Now x equal to minus 6 is the equation of directrix. Origin is 0, 0. It is cutting x axis at minus 6 and 0. Now we have defined a parabola. Parabola is a set of all the points which are equidistant from directrix and the focus. So if you try to plot the point you will get equidistant point will be at the vertex. Then if you try to plot equidistant point you will get a graph something like this. So please note it is symmetric about x axis, that is positive direction of x axis. Hence we can say the equation is of the form. Therefore equation of parabola having focus 6, 0 and directrix x equal to minus 6 opens towards positive direction of x axis, positive direction of x axis. And equation, we know equation of parabola, standard equation of parabola in this form is equation of parabola in this form, in the form is y square is equal to 4ax. Now it means, now please note with y square is equal to 4ax, here focus is a0. It means if you compare this equation we will get a is equal to 6. Hence equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4 into 6x, that is equal to 24x. We are asked to find equation of parabola. So equation of parabola is y square equal to 24x. Dear friends, we are trying to understand parabola with certain examples. Now we have the next question. We have to find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the condition. Focus is at 0, negative 3 and directrix is y equal to 3. Now see, please note here x coordinate is 0. It means focus lies on y coordinate. Since x coordinate is 0, focus lies on y axis. So it will be lying on y axis, x coordinate is 0. We know that equation of y axis is x equal to 0. And now we have the next y coordinate is negative 3. Negative 3 means it will be in the negative direction of y axis. So if this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, we will get the focus somewhere here 0, negative 3. Vertex is at 0, 0, or you can say the directrix is y equal to 3. Now if it is y equal to 3 means it is a line parallel to x axis. So this is a line parallel to x axis passing through the point y equals to 3. So this is 3 and x coordinate is 0. Now this is the equation of directrix, y equals to 3. Now please note, we have defined the parabola as set of all the points which are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. Means it will be equidistant from directrix as well as focus. So the vertex will be one of the point, origin will be one of the point, and you will see that if we increase this distance, we will get a parabola facing downward. So this is equal to, parabola is of the form x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now let us try to understand. We are asked to find the equation of the parabola. So here the equation is of the form x square is equal to minus 4ay. Since as focus lies on y-axis and its coordinates are 0, minus 3, it lies on negative direction of y-axis. So please note, focus lies on y-axis and it lies on negative direction of y-axis. Here vertex is at origin. Please note, a is equal to negative 3. So a is equal to 3. Hence equation will be x square is equal to minus 4 into 3y. Therefore x is equal to negative 12y. This is the equation of line, the equation of the parabola having focus 0, negative 3 and whose directrix is y equals to 3. Dear friends, we have next question. We have to find the equation of the parabola. Vertex is at 0, 0 and focus is at 3, 0. Please note, here x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 0. If you try to plot this point, it will be on positive direction of x. If this is 1, 2, 3, we will get the focus 3, 0 somewhere here. Please note, vertex is 0, 0. So we will get a parabola which is symmetric about x-axis. So as focus lies on x-axis, axis of symmetry is, axis of parabola is x-axis. Now vertex is at 0, 0. Vertex is at 0, 0. It means we know that we have defined the parabola in such a way that it is a curve which is equidistant from the directrix and the focus. So if focus is 3, 0, then equation of the directrix will be, please note, it is parallel to y-axis, perpendicular to x-axis. So this is equal to x equal to negative 3. So equation of directrix is x equal to minus 3 and foot of directrix is at minus 3, 0. Vertex is 0, 0. This vertex is 0, 0. Now if you compare this equation of the parabola, a parabola is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. Now comparing with whose focus is a0. So if you compare this, you will get a is equal to 3. It means equation of parabola will be, therefore equation of parabola is y equal to 4, a's value is 3x, so that is equal to 12x. Please note, y equal to 12x is the equation of parabola. Dear friends, next question is we have to find the equation of parabola whose vertex is 0, 0 and focus is at negative 2, 0. So if you try to plot this, please note, we will get the focus on negative direction of. So if this is 1, this is minus 2, y coordinate is 0. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now vertex is at 0, 0, origin. So vertex is at 0, 0. It means axis of parabola is x-axis. Reason is focus lies on x-axis. Focus and vertex. The reason is vertex and focus lies on x-axis. So axis of parabola is x-axis. Now if we know that if axis is this x-axis, then we know that directrix is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. So it will be perpendicular to the x-axis, and please note it is equidistant from the vertex. So you will get directrix something like this, which is parallel to y-axis. So equation of this will be x equals to 2. The equation of directrix is x equals to 2. Now we have defined the parabola. That parabola is a curve which is set of all the points which are equidistant from the directrix and the focus. So focus is here and directrix is here. If you try to plot, we will get the set of all the points which are equidistant from vertex and directrix. So here equation of parabola is of the form. Equation of parabola is of the form y square is equal to minus 4ax. Now please note, focus of this is whose focus is minus a0. So here please compare with the focus. So you will get a is equal to 2. Now if a is equal to 2, then we get the equation of parabola as y square is equal to minus 4. A's value is 2x. So equation of parabola is y square is equal to minus 8x.